For years, ExpressVPN has been the gold standard in the VPN world, but with new updates constantly rolling out, the question remains, can it keep you secure and private online today? To give you the complete picture, we've put the service through extensive testing to create the ultimate ExpressVPN review, covering its newest features and its proven track record. Let's take a look. If you're already considering ExpressVPN, click the link in the description for the best current offers and their risk-free money-back guarantee. ExpressVPN security and privacy. The first and most critical question is, can you truly trust ExpressVPN? No logs and audits. Absolutely. They maintain a clear and legally binding no logs policy, a commitment to never track, store, or share user data. These claims have been independently audited by third-party security companies like KPMG, proving their commitment is real. TrustedServer technology. This is ExpressVPN's biggest differentiator. They pioneered RAM-only servers, which they call TrustedServer, across their entire network. This hardware is physically designed to never retain data long-term, ensuring everything is wiped clean with every reboot. Jurisdiction. Their base is in the British Virgin Islands, BVI, a privacy-friendly location that operates safely outside the reach of the 14 Eyes Surveillance Alliance. Encryption and protection. All your data is secured with unbreakable AES-256 encryption and protected by essential tools inside the app. Network lock kill switch. This feature instantly cuts your internet if the VPN connection stumbles, preventing your IP address and data from leaking. DNS leak protection further ensures your real location is never exposed. Bottom line, this ExpressVPN security review confirms they have built the industry's most solid base to guarantee your data safety. But strong security is just the foundation. Let's see how well the ExpressVPN apps work and what features they have to offer. Device compatibility and router advantage. Next, in this ExpressVPN review, we're going to find out what device can you get ExpressVPN on. The answer is essentially everything you own. Operating systems. They offer dedicated apps for all major platforms: Windows, Mac, Linux, as well as iOS and Android. You can even use it seamlessly on streaming devices like Apple TV and Android TV. The router advantage. This is where ExpressVPN shines. It's one of the best choices for VPN router setups, because they provide proprietary router applet software. Setting it up on a router protects every device in your house, including smart TVs and consoles, while only counting as one device connection. Browser extensions. They also have browser extensions for Chrome, Firefox, etc. Just note that these extensions only act as a remote control for the main app. They don't function independently, which is a minor con. Simultaneous connections. The great news is you can install ExpressVPN on all your devices and then connect up to 8 of them at the same time, offering fantastic value for securing a large household. Bottom line, ExpressVPN ensures maximum coverage with dedicated apps for every platform and a powerful router solution. You can secure all your gadgets without worrying about the connection limit. App usability. Is ExpressVPN easy to use? Absolutely, that is one of its major selling points. Beginner-friendly UI. My ExpressVPN experience shows their apps are incredibly simple to understand even for beginners. While you can dive deep into settings, the overall interface is clean and consistent across Windows, Mac and mobile. Quick connection. The entire process is streamlined. To connect, you just click the big power button and the app automatically uses its smart location feature to find the fastest and closest server. Massive network. If you want to choose a location, you can easily expand the list and access their massive network of servers spread across 105 countries. This global reach ensures you always have a fast option. Instant protection. As soon as you connect, you're instantly under VPN protection with a new IP, corresponding to the location you choose. Bottom line, ExpressVPN makes connecting simple. It handles the basics perfectly, but the real power is in the extra features. Let's explore those now, and then we can call this a full ExpressVPN review. Extra features. The basic app works perfectly, but you can definitely take things to the next level with the extra features included in your subscription. Standard security tools. Split tunneling lets you decide which apps use the VPN and which ones connect directly, saving bandwidth and optimizing your speed. Threat Manager acts as a powerful DNS filter, preventing you from accessing malicious sites and effectively blocking trackers. Ad blocker It blocks most ads, making browsing cleaner and faster. While it doesn't catch every video or pop-up ad, it's definitely worth keeping turned on for a smoother experience. Unique value additions. While many reliable VPNs offer the above, I found a few truly unique tools while preparing this ExpressVPN review. ExpressVPN Keys. This is a full zero-knowledge password manager included with your subscription, giving you 2 cybersecurity tools in one. It safely stores your logins, generates strong passwords, provides autofill, and even alerts you to leaked passwords. Shuffle IP. This is a non-optional security feature that automatically assigns you a different IP address for nearly every web page you visit. This makes it exceedingly difficult for any tracker to build a profile based on your browsing habits. Device groups. Router feature. My favorite feature specifically for those using the router app is device groups. This lets you split your household's device into separate groups and assign a different VPN location to each group. This solves the major problem of the whole family being stuck on a single VPN server location. Bottom line, ExpressVPN bundles essential privacy features with unique, high-value tools like keys and device groups. You're getting a lot more than just a VPN for your money. ExpressVPN App Updates. I also noticed that ExpressVPN apps across all platforms have recently received some great updates, focusing on performance and usability. Mobile apps, iOS and Android. The mobile apps now feature a cleaner redesigned look. They include built-in speed testers and an improved smart location feature to instantly find the closest and fastest server. Windows app, Speed Boost. The Windows app received a major performance upgrade with the lightweight Turbo protocol. This protocol uses a multi-tunnel method designed to provide significantly better browsing and download speeds. Pro tip: while fast, the Turbo protocol can sometimes struggle to connect on certain networks. It's best to keep your setting on automatic, so the app can revert to the stable regular protocol if Turbo fails, avoiding connection drops entirely. Linux app, GUI Lounge. Linux users finally received a massive overhaul. The app now features a modern, user-friendly graphical user interface, replacing the old command line interface. This brings crucial functionality including split tunneling and an advanced kill switch directed to the Linux desktop. Bottom line, ExpressVPN is actively investing in its app ecosystem, from speed boosts on Windows to major usability upgrades for Linux and sleek new look for mobile. Speed and performance. What's widely agreed upon is the need to have good speeds when browsing or doing literally anything else with a VPN on. So is ExpressVPN fast enough? Testing methodology. For this ExpressVPN review, our research team conducted speed tests across 3 different global locations. Since the lightweight Turbo protocol is still quite new and can be spotty as we mentioned, we focused on the already excellent performance of the regular lightweight protocol. The verdict? The results were consistently impressive. As expected, ExpressVPN retained the highest speeds when connecting to the closest server. Overall, all 3 distant locations delivered good enough performance for uninterrupted and speedy browsing. Real-world experience. I rarely ever encountered any lag or long loading screens with ExpressVPN turned on. The nuance. That said, judging purely by raw download numbers, there are a few competitors, like NordVPN's Nordlinks, that clock slightly faster peak speeds than ExpressVPN. However, the difference is minimal, often just a few percentage points, and doesn't affect the smooth performance you get during real-world use like streaming or general browsing. Bottom line, the speed test results show us that ExpressVPN performs exceptionally well. Streaming and torrenting. With the great performance metrics we just shared in our extensive ExpressVPN review, it's clear that this VPN is an excellent choice for those looking to stream and access global content. Streaming. The wide location variety in 105 countries gives you options for a ton of different content on all major streaming providers. If you do run into a rare geo-block, the fix is easy. Simply clear your browser cache and switch to a different VPN server. As for torrenting, ExpressVPN will work securely and effectively. A key advantage here is that P2P traffic is supported on all servers in their network, so you never have to search for a specialized one. Safety first. However, since there are no specialized P2P features, it is critical that you use the kill switch network lock to protect your real IP address in case the VPN connection stumbles or drops. Bottom line, ExpressVPN is a consistent performer for all media. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more cybersecurity tips and reviews. There is still one more important question to answer: pricing and plans. Is ExpressVPN worth it? It's not a secret that ExpressVPN is not the cheapest VPN on the market. However, recently they completely restructured their pricing to make the value proposition much stronger. New tiered pricing. ExpressVPN now offer basic, advanced and pro plans. While the cheapest basic plan is just for the core VPN, the higher tiers are where you unlock the best value. The value bundle. With the advanced or pro plans, you're getting not just a VPN, but an entire security suite. This includes the full ExpressVPN keys password manager, dedicated ad and tracker blocking, and even a coupon for free eSIM data when traveling. While the plans are now tiered, the core VPN features like TrustedServer, lightweight, and the 105-country network remain consistently excellent across all subscriptions. You simply choose the feature bundle that fits your security needs. Exclusive US perks. US citizens specifically get access to the Identity Defender suite, which includes data alert features and potentially identity theft reimbursement. A massive added value for American users. If you decide that the speed, stability, and premium bundles of ExpressVPN are right for you, use my exclusive links in the description to save some money and get their best offer right now. Conclusion. To wrap up our ExpressVPN Review 2025 edition, I can confidently say this is one of the best VPN options out there right now. Yes, it might not be the cheapest on the market, but the premium price delivers a premium, highly reliable service. If you prioritize speed, streaming, stability, and an easy set and forget experience that is independently audited, ExpressVPN is absolutely worth the investment. But what do you think? Let me know your experience with ExpressVPN in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video until the end. See you in the next one.